Let's cook this unique and delicious sweet rice recipe from Pakistan. Start by adding 3 liters of water to the pot. Add 6 cloves and 8 green cardamoms. When water starts boiling, add 2 cups of basmati sella rice, which was already soaked for 2 hours. Cook the rice for 8 to 10 minutes until it is completely cooked and tender. Strain the rice and set aside. In a separate pan, add 3/4 cup of oil or ghee. Add sliced almonds, pistachios, and walnuts, a tablespoon each. Fry for 5 minutes until they slightly change color. On low heat. Take out of the pan and set aside. In the same oil, add 8 green cardamoms. Keep the heat on medium-low. Add 2 cups of milk solids. Keep stirring and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. After around 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, on low-medium heat, it will change color to light golden. At this point, add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Mix it very well and cook until the sugar completely dissolves. Cook on medium heat until it starts boiling. At this point, add the boiled rice. Stir until the rice evenly mix with the sugar mixture. Lower down the heat to low. Add 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. Add 2 drops of Kewra essence if you like. Now add the fried nuts along with a tablespoon of raisins. Mix it. Cover the lid and cook on low heat for 15 minutes. Aromatic and delicious sweet Golati rice is ready. Enjoy as it is, or dress it with some sweets, candied fruits, fried nuts, and some milk solids. Traditionally, it is served with Yakhni Biryani. Check out the link in description. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.